What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace and welcome to the Sheraton Universal. We are here for Universal Studios Hollywood and we're staying at one of the hotels right next to the park. It's a 9-minute walk, it's a quick shuttle bus ride, and today I'm going to give you a tour of this awesome, convenient Universal Studios Hollywood hotel. So here is the outside. They have this nice fountain with a nice sculpture out here. And then we're gonna make our way into the hotel, but I have to point out that the Universal Sheraton does have a shuttle bus system to the park. So here it is, Universal City Shuttle Services. And what's really cool is that you can actually see where the bus is and what's the estimated time that it will be arriving by using this QR code. You scan it and it will show you exactly where the bus is and what time it's going to pick you up. And you just wait here for the shuttle bus to come. Something to keep in mind is the bus hours. Be careful because tonight the last bus was at 8 p.m. and City Walk closed at 8 p.m. We missed the last bus and we had to walk. I'll show you this experience here. All right, so just pretty much, those are the gates right there. Just started the timer, so let's see how long it takes. All right, we're passing the Hilton now. It's up this way, and then the Sheraton is just right past it. You can actually see it from here too. Okay, just about 8 minutes and we are almost at the lobby of the Sheraton. Not a bad walk at all. It is downhill from the park. So, you know, if you're walking to the park, it is gonna be a pretty steep hill up. Just to keep that in mind if you're gonna walk rather than take the shuttle. And the reason we didn't take the shuttle was because we missed the last shuttle. The last shuttle was at 8 p.m. and City Walk closed at 8 p.m. So they don't really give you a lot of leeway here, but we made it to the lobby. 8 minutes and 20 seconds, but let's head inside. All right, so walking in, it's a pretty nice lobby. We have a pretty cool Starlight Dream here, and we're gonna walk in. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about staying at this hotel. To the left here, you do have a concierge if you need anything, park tickets, anything like that. There's a conference going on right now, but here we have the check-in desks. It was super easy, quick check-in. It is a Marriott Bonvoy hotel. So if you're a Marriott Bonvoy member, you do get some perks. They actually did sign us up for the Marriott Bonvoy free membership, because you can download the app and request things to your room and all that good stuff. They have a 24-hour grab and go stand here, which is really nice because it's nighttime now when a bunch of things are closed. Here's the grab and go, and you get a little self-checkout. They do have Starbucks. The hours are 6 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. You want to grab your Starbucks coffee or drink before you start your day. So like I said, there's a conference going on here, and over this way are meeting rooms and ballrooms. So this is the other side of the lobby here. They do have some seats where you can sit, hang out, wait around for your ride. And here is the lobby bar, which is really nice. Still open. It is pretty much about 9 p.m. And here are all the dining options that they have here. Coffee, lobby bar, California's, which is the restaurant, and room service. They have a TV area over here, which is pretty cool. And the lobby bar has a really nice area to hang out, grab a drink at the end of the night. And it does have a view of the pool as well. There's a grand piano, and then this way are some restrooms in the lobby and right off the lobby bar. Public restrooms, and then they have this Sheraton Club. It's a club lounge. You need a special room key to enter it. Please use your room key to access the club lounge. Oh, wow, that's nice. And then there are some guest rooms down this hallway. Okay, let's head downstairs because down this way is the California's restaurant. Okay, here it is, the California's a restaurant. So they actually told us when we checked in that the chef used to work under a Michelin star chef. We haven't had it, but apparently very good. But they do have breakfast, they serve lunch, and they serve dinner. And here's a look at it. Looks very nice. Out here they have foosball and a nice little area to hang out by the fire. and some outdoor seating. This way, while we're out here, might as well show you the pool. So of course it's not open right now because it's very late, but here's the pool. It does have a hot tub as well, and our room is actually here. So we have a pool view from our room. So they do have some more ballrooms down this way. So big conference hotel, it seems like. But you can see the map here. This is where we're at, by the pool. And look at all these conference rooms. There is a fitness center as well, right off of the pool and around these conference centers. All right, and we're walking back upstairs. So it is a pretty small hotel, but the lobby is nice. It's definitely a little dated, but overall, for being so close to Universal Studios Hollywood, if you're visiting the park and City Walk, I think it's a great place to stay. Let's head to our room. So our room is actually this way, but it's not up these elevators, which is kind of interesting. So I'll show you where it is. So we're not in the tower, we're in like this wing. Over here, they do have some computers if you need to print out anything. You could also print from your smartphone, which is pretty cool too. So our room is down these stairs. There's this random microwave right here, as well as an ATM. So you can access the pool and the fitness center this way. They do have elevators to take you down, as well as some more guest rooms. We were just down there. So we're gonna head to our room. I'll give you a room tour. I like how they have the Simpsons here. All right, let's head into our room. We're in the Lanai guest rooms on the second floor. It's right this way. And just before we go into our room, just to show you what they have here, they do have an ice machine. Where is it? Oh my gosh, that is so weird. It's like hidden in this closet, but they do have an ice machine in the hallway here. All right, let's head to our room. So this is what the hallways look like. They're definitely on the older side, but still feels clean. Welcome to the Sheraton in Universal City, right down the street from Universal Hollywood. Here is our room. Okay, when you first walk in, you have a really, really big full-length mirror that also doubles as the bathroom door. So behind me here, we do have a closet that's see-through. You open it up. In here, we have some hangers, an ironing board, an iron, safe, and some drawers right down there. Over here, we have a mini fridge that is not very cold, but, you know, it's here. Here, you got a coffee maker. They do have some Starbucks coffee, as well as coffee maker, of course. Ice bucket, complimentary water, and some more drawers for storage. Just some nice decor up here. And turning around to the bathroom, you have one sink, the mirror. That's me, hello. Down here we have toilet paper, as well as some extra towels, body lotion, skincare bars, more towels, and a little makeup mirror. That's nice. Here's the toilet paper, tissues. Got some hooks, nice little Hollywood decor. Oh, that is very weird. The mirror in the tub. Okay, that's interesting. But it does have a tub, shower curtain, shampoo, conditioner, body wash in here. There's a shower head. Here's the light switches on and off. Once again, the door. Got some outlets in here as well. Oh, come in. That was so cute. Look who we're here with. The invite today. Going into the main entrance, you have this bench, which I really like for spreading out your stuff. And they do have some more storage over here. Some carpets. Here's a little rolling chair, a light, and a table if you want to do some work. It's a nice spot, as well as a TV. They do have some Universal information here for the VIP experience, a notepad and pen, phone. This is a Marriott resort, so you have your Marriott Bonvoy keys, and you could download the Marriott Bonvoy app. if you need anything to your room. And then another area that you could spread out your stuff here with this couch, some more decor. And our room actually has a balcony. Nick is standing facing the corner. This is when you know you have to wait for the content creator to I don't know how to open this. Oh, okay. All right, let's step outside here and look at the balcony. So this is nice. It overlooks the pool and the hot tub. Here's a restaurant out here. You can see the Comcast NBC building out here. They have some fire pits, which is nice. We're on the second floor, so you could see it has a big tower as well. And then you got these rooms over here. Looks like there's a ballroom on that side. And on the balcony, you have chairs and table. Then over to the beds. Over here we have a little lamp with a USB charger and 2 outlets. Here we have a 2-queen bedroom. We originally booked a double bedroom, but they upgraded us to a 2-queen room. Looks like you can get some snacks. I'll tell you information about the food here. The nightstand in the middle with the remote and an alarm clock. It has a USB charger in here. Oh, this is nice that they do have outlets on the side of the bed as well as some little reading lights right over here as well. That's good because I wasn't seeing that many chargers. In here, got a Bible and the Book of Mormon. And this is it. This is our room. Steps away from Universal, shuttle bus. You can't go wrong. So it's the next morning. And I have to say, these beds were very comfortable. The pillows, I'm super picky about my pillows because I have a lot of neck problems. But the bed itself, pretty comfortable. One thing we did notice about this room was that if anyone goes to the bathroom, like in the middle of the night, there is this wall that like lights up because it shows the bathroom light. Like you can't see through the window, but the light lights up. So it kind of wakes everybody up if someone goes to the bathroom. They're just a little design flaw that we noticed. But overall, I think it's a really good option for visiting Universal Hollywood. We booked this with points, credit card points, and it came out to about a little under $200 with points. So that's not that bad for one night to be walking distance from the park, have that shuttle bus to the park, and stay in LA overall. The parking is steep. If you are parking a car here, it's $47 to park, which is crazy per night. But I feel like that's just kind of LA. The Hilton was very expensive too. If I had to pick between the two of them, I would probably stay at the Hilton again. But if the price was better here, I would definitely stay here again because it's, you know, you can't go wrong. There's nothing like being next to the park. When we checked in, we did get this sheet. So just to read you some of the additional benefits, the California restaurant, of course, breakfast, lunch, and dinner daily. In the Mix Bar and Lounge, that's the lobby bar. Universal Perk is Starbucks. That opens at 6 a.m. They also have the 24-hour grab-and-go vending, which we saw. In-room dining, you can place your order by calling the number on the phone. They do have breakfast from 6 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and dinner from 5 to 11 p.m. daily. You can scan this QR code to see the menus. Pool and jacuzzi right behind us opens at 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. The fitness center is located on the terrace level next to the pool deck, open 24 hours. The studio shuttle is complimentary drop-off and pickup service, runs approximately every 15 minutes. And what's really great about that is that it does have that website where you can track and see exactly where the bus is and what time it's gonna pick you up at the hotel, the next bus, what time that's coming. It does have the club lounge, we saw that too. Valet EV charging, but you do have to pay more for that. Vanity kits, additional amenities upon request. So here's what the pool's looking like in the morning now. See the little hot tub. Beautiful morning here. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out planning your Universal Hollywood trip. If it did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below, and stay tuned for more Universal adventures. See you in the next one. Peace.